guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can post a video to YouTube that is in the correct aspect ratio and size for the platform. You may have filmed a video that you want to upload to YouTube, but you don't know what the correct aspect ratio is, you don't know what the correct size is, what the correct format is for YouTube, or maybe you filmed a video that you know is in the completely wrong aspect ratio. Maybe you filmed the video for Instagram or TikTok and you need to completely transform this video so that it's ready and appropriate to be uploaded to YouTube. Luckily, this is really easy to do using an online video editor called Cerebrium.com. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to Cerebrium.com. Then you log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload the video that you'd like to change the aspect ratio of. The interesting and unique thing about this video editor is that you can use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can upload one video in any aspect ratio and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and so on. And none of the quality or content of the video will be lost. So content creators can save a lot of time and repurpose that content across multiple social media platforms without spending any extra time editing. You can move this crop tool around and resize it like so. Along the bottom row you can see there is a range of different social media icons indicating the different aspect ratios that each platform requires. And when you click on one of them, for example the YouTube icon here, it shows you which sizes are appropriate to be uploaded to TikTok, and you can still play around with the size and framing of the video to ensure that it's exactly right for what you want. To select the appropriate size, just click on the YouTube icon, amend the box as required, and then once you're happy with the size selection of your new video, click on the little box on the upper right hand corner to move to the video editing page. Now this is where you can make any additional edits to your video if you so wish. Once you've made any edits that you want, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner, and then you're taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email address associated with your Cerebrium account. Now you have your video ready to post on YouTube without any watermark. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so I would definitely encourage you to go check that out, utilise the free trial, and then let us know your feedback on what you think about the editor. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys, and happy editing!